Oh yeah. Yes. 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 New Rochelle Chevrolet is absolutely committed to you. Cream Puff. This beautiful 2008 Chevrolet Uplander is not going to disappoint. There you have it, short and sweet. It is nicely equipped with features such as 3.29 axle ratio, third row seats, split bench, 4-wheel disc brakes, 7-passenger seating, 8 speakers, anti-lock brake system brakes, air conditioning, AM/FM radio, AM/FM stereo, WCD MP3 playback, XM satellite, base cloth seat trim, body side moldings, bumpers, body color, CD player, driver door bin, driver vanity mirror, dual front impact airbags, electronic stability control, emergency communication system, front anti-roll bar, front reading lights, front wheel independent suspension, fully automatic headlights, illuminated entry, low tire,